ahead and get into this install. So this hair was sent to me from Toyotress. This is going to be their Goddess Locks. I do have the 18 inches, and then it is the color 1B. So in each pack you are gonna get 6 packs total, like when you do order, and then each pack has 24 strands in it, and it is going to be a curl on the end, and then towards the root it also is going to have like that little curl. So when you look at it, it just blends all together and it looks so pretty. So this one is going to be 18 inches, and it only shows 18 inches on the site, and I'm not sure about Amazon, but they do have this hair on Amazon as well, and you can get this hair in prime. So if you need this hair like ASAP, you can go ahead and get it. I only used about 4.5 packs of this hair, so you do get a lot of hair when using this hair. I still have like probably the back bottom I can go ahead and fill in, but for me, this is how I would be wearing this hair, because I just love the half up half down and how full it is. I don't think I'd be wearing it this straight down, but I love it just like this. I think it is so freaking pretty. The hair is not heavy. You can feel it, like it does feel like you have some weight up there, but it's not heavy like it's dragging your head down, and I do like that about that. I think this is my favorite hair from this company. I love all the hair, but this one I just love the curl, and I love how small the knots are on this. So whenever you're doing like the invisible braids, like the single, it doesn't feel like it's pulling your hair, and it feels comfortable. So I like that about it, and it looks so freaking natural up close. Like, I thought I was gonna have a problem because I did mine's kind of big, but it looks good. Like, it looks really good. I love their hair quality on their hair. Doesn't feel like this hair is gonna like just unravel on you at all, and it feels like you are going to be able to wear this for a while, and it looks so good. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I have no complaints about this hair. I love the hair. The only thing I would say is the knots on here, like the little crochet, they are a little bit small. So in the back, you might have a little bit of problem. Just make sure whenever you're doing it, because I wasn't doing it, you make sure that you put both of these in the hooks whenever you are pulling it through. So make sure that you are grabbing both that little hair and the faux lock, and just doing that and pulling it through. I was only grabbing the faux lock and not the hair, and it was getting all tangled up, and I don't know, child. That's something I don't know. That's something you should know, but then I didn't know, so you might not know. You know, just for the people that don't know, make sure you grab both. That way you aren't, you know, just getting it all tangled up together, because that's what I was doing. But I love how it looks. It looks so freaking pretty. Like, it's so freaking pretty. I just love this. So I will leave the information down below on where you can purchase these crochets at. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below. And thank you also to Toyotress for sending me out this hair to review, because I freaking love it. Okay, I love their hair quality. Love their hair quality. So yeah, so I will leave everything in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.